Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm about to spill some serious tea for all you aspiring social media marketers out there. If you are trying of starting or scaling your SMMA, but you have no idea which niche is going to make you the next millionaire, well, don't worry. I got your back. Today, we are diving into 10 of the best SMMA niches that can help you make fat stacks of cash. So, let's get into it. Let's kick things off with a big one, real estate. I mean, it's literal real estate. People, realtors and property dealers needs leads like I need coffee on Monday mornings by running Facebook ads and Google ads for property listing, open houses, and virtual tours. You are basically their MVP. They get more buyers, you get paid. Chaching, that's all. But seriously, it's a high budget and a high ticket niche, and they are willing to invest big to sell those $1 million houses. Help them make money, and guess what, you make money too. And next off we have e-commerce, aka the just take my money niche, which everyone and their dog opening an online store these days. E-commerce businesses are desperate for traffic, from Instagram ads, Facebook ads, TikTok. There are so many ways to make product go viral, and the best part, once you help them hit the jackpot, they're like, oh yeah, hey man, can you run another campaign and another one? Endless income, baby. And it's never ending process, and it's scalable, it's paced, and honestly, who doesn't love online shopping, bro? That's all right. Next we have in the list, health and fitness. Look, people are out here trying to get fit, eat healthy, and get abs 6 weeks. I'm still working on my six pack abs, by the way. Whether it's a local gym or personal trainer or some new keto guru, these gurus needs killer content and ads to fill their classes or sell their green smoothies. You run their marketing, they flex their muscles, everybody wins. That's all. By the way, why it's great, because plus with the rise of online fitness programs, you can even help them go global. And who says you can't be the next big thing in the fitness marketing while you are still munching on your pizzas? Next, okay, we have now on to dental and healthcare. Where people pay to not have teeth that look like a horror movie. Dentists, chiropractors, clinics always needs fresh patients. With some local targeting on Facebook and Google ads, so you can help them fill their calendar faster than a dentist hands of you flaws at the end of your appointment. And this niche is great because it's like a golden goose. Healthcare is essential, so they always needs a steady team of clients, which means steady income for you. Plus they are legit, and it's nice helping people smile, right? Next of all, we have I want to know who is hungry now. Because next we got restaurants and food services. Food businesses thrive on social media. Seriously, who hasn't posted a pic of their food on Instagram? Don't lie, okay? Whether it's running up ads for pizza deals or promoting takeouts, restaurants needs to get their drool worthy dishes in front of customers. It's a local service, so results are quick, and if you can make their food look in irresistible, you got a long term clients. And you might score some free food, just saying. Next of all, we got skin and beauty care, and the land of flawless Instagram feeds and 10-step skincare routines. Yeah, Whether it's a local salon or skincare brand, these businesses needs all the social proof. If you can create content that makes people feel like they are on serum away from glowing like Beyonce, you are golden, bro. And this niche is all about aesthetics, so if you are into creating stunning content, it's perfect. Plus beauty never goes out of style. Just like a good skincare, glow up their business and you'll glow up your bank account. Nice. Next of all, let's get serious. Coaching and consulting, life coaches, coaches, fitness coaches, everyone's a coach nowadays. Yeah, everyone is coach nowadays. I'm also coaching you something. These folks needs to build authority and trust, and that's where you come in. You set up lead gen funnels, manage their content, and boom, clients rolling in. Before you know it, you are helping them get more clients while they are helping people find their life purpose. Plus its coaches usually offer high ticket services, and so they'll happily pay you to bring in more high paying clients. And who doesn't love high paying clients, right? Next up, we have legal services, lawyers. It's my skincare time. So next up, we have legal services. Lawyers need skincare too, whether it's a personal injury, family law, or business law. They are constantly searching for people who need their help. And you know what that means. They'll pay good money for leads. You don't even need to pass the bar exam to get paid by lawyers. Just run some Google and LinkedIn ads and you are set. And the legal services are likely highly profitable, and once you help them fill their caseloads, they keep coming back, sorry, they keep coming back to you like a boomerang. Next, all right, next we have travel and hospitality. Who doesn't love to go love a good sorry who doesn't love a good vacation? Hotel tour companies and resorts need marketing to get people booking again. If you can create campaigns that have people saying, take my money for the next big vacation deal, you are basically everyone's favorite travel agent, without having to deal with all those lost luggage complaints. And travel is fun. It's visual and it's all about experience, plus helping people book their dream vacations while you work from home. That's pretty sweet deal. Yeah. Next of all, we have local services provider, and it's not the last but not the least. uh, and last but not the least, we got local service providers. Think plumbers, electricians, home renovation guys. These businesses are always in demand. They are always in demand, and they don't need anything too fancy, just ads that shows up when people are searching for help, and you their home phone rang and you make their phone rang. They help the dirty work, they handle the dirty work. These businesses don't have a lot of competition on the marketing front, so they are super easy to target. Plus they love you for helping them bring in new customers faster than they can say, I'll be there in 10 minutes. And that's all. And there you have it, the top 10 SMMA niches that can help you crush in 2024. So which one is calling your name? Whether you are into helping realtors, foodies, or business beauty gurus, and the right niche can make all the difference. Comment down below which niche you are going to target, and hit the like button if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to run your SMMA into a cash machine. Thank you. I'll